Hey there, video creators! Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of blurring faces in your videos. Let's get started. First things first, let's fire up Chrome. Next, head over to singlequotesrunwayml.com. Now, click on Try Runway for free. Select all tools from the menu. Scroll down until you find Blur Faces. Click on Blur Face. Now, upload the video from which you want to blur faces. Let's give it a moment to process. You can also adjust the strength of the blur effect to your preference. Once you're satisfied, click on Export. Select the resolution and format for your exported video. Simply click on the three dots and then download to save it to your device. And there you have it. Your video with blurred faces is ready. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and happy blurring!